Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to everyone to enjoy and to participate in online class in English for class 9 and 10. How are you, my dear student? I think all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Let it be gone. Come to the point. You know that at present we are facing a serious and dangerous period due to coronavirus or COVID-19. This is the only means for the students or learners to achieve their lesson or achieve their knowledge by the help of the online class. So, I think this is very important for you. Now, today I am going to teach you about the rearranging of sentences. Before going to rearrange the sentences, I want to say something about the systems, about the methods of rearranging the sentence. Now, I am telling you about rearranging sentences. You know that there are two kinds of rearranging sentences. One is type 1, historical event or person based. This is one. And type 2, abstract topics or description. In these two things, the two kinds of rearranging sentences. So, in the historical event or personal based rearranging sentences, there are some points here. Number A, name, title, name oblique title. Number B, birth oblique parentage. Number C, profession oblique marriage. Number D, children oblique issue. Number E, extraordinary work or bid. Number A, older age oblique death. Z number, homage oblique tribute oblique remembrance. These are the points of historical event or person based rearranging sentences. And type 2, abstract topics or description based. Number 1, definition or nature. Number B, good sides with example. Number C, bad sides with example. Number D, methods to solve or check the events. And number E, that is the final, concluding lines. So these are the points of making the sentence in correct order. To write the sentence in correct order, that is rearranging sentences. These are the points you have to think about yourself. And if face any difficulties, you may write it in your scripts. Before going to start the sentences, rearranging sentences, I want to say clearly that you have to think these points in yourself before writing, before rearranging sentences. You will remember these things. Then it would possible on your part to write it correctly, rearrange the sentences in correct order properly. Now, I am reading the questions. In the question paper, you will see these types of sentences. This is put the following parts of the story in correct order to make the whole story. Only the corresponding numbers of the sentences need to be written. You have to think about the question. I am repeating the question. Put the following parts of the story in correct order to make the whole story. Then only the corresponding numbers of the sentences need to be written. Now I am reading loudly the sentences which I have written on the board. Number 8. He passed his boyhood with his parents. He was never absent from school up to the age of 12. Number B for her. Number C. Penicillin is the life-saving medicine. Number D. He was the seventh of the 8 brothers and sisters. Number E. It was discovered by Dr. Alexander Fleming. Number 8. He was sent to London at the age of 14 for higher education. Number Z. Fleming was born in a poor family in Scotland. Number is Fleming was a very regular and attentive student. These are the sentences. You have to think about the sentences. What type of sentences? Whether it is historical event or personal or abstract topics or description. This is undoubtedly you can think this is historical event or personal rearranging sentences. So it will be good. Write the sentences in correct order. You have to think about the sentences. You have to write, first you have to write the sequence of this passage of this story. Sequences. In this way, you can write sequences in your answer script or answer script. And another way is A, arrow B, C. In this way you can write also. I think this is the best system to rearrange the sentences. So number 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 sentences here. So in this way, you have to think and write 8 sentences in correct order. In here, these are not in correct order. These are not in correct order. So you have to write in correct order. Sequence sheet. Number C. Penicillin is the life-saving medicine. This is the past sentence. You have to, when you will write in correct order. C is the past. Then E. It was discovered by Dr. Alexander Fleming. Number E is the second. Number Z. Z is the third. Fleming was born in a poor family in Scotland. Number 3. Number 4. D. Number 4 D. He was the seventh of the 8 brothers and sisters. Number 5 A. He passed his boyhood with his parents. Number 6 is. Number 6 is. Fleming was a very regular and attentive student. Number 7 is B. Number 7, he was never absent from school up to the age of 12. Number 8 is F. Number 8 is F. F is he was sent to London at the age of 14 for higher education. This is the last sequence of this passage of these sentences. So in this way, you can write the answer of the rearranging sentences. You have to write it into a sequence because the question is only the corresponding numbers of the sentences need to be written. You have no need to write all the sentences. Only the corresponding numbers of the sentences need to be written. This is final. Okay. I have finished this rearranging sentence. Then, in order to learn more, you have to practice more. So, I am going to teach another rearranging sentences, and you have to think about the next rearranging sentences. I am going to read out loudly number by number. This is 2 number and number A. In the evening, a lion entered the cave. Number B. One day he fled from his master's house and took shelter in a cave. Number C. Once upon a time there lived a young man named Androcles. Number D. He came near Androcles and lifted his paw. Number E. He was caught by a slave merchant who sold him to a rich man in another country. Number A. The lion seemed wounded as he was groaning. Number G. His master was very bad and inflicted heavy torture on him. Number H. He took the lion's paw in his hand and removed a big paw. From it, the lion was relieved of his pain. This is the rearranging sentences. There are 8 sentences here also. Then you have to think about the sentences. And then you will write the sequences of this story. So then you will have to think what type of things this is. This is also historically done a percentage. You have to think in this, through the light of this point, you have to write the sequences. Write the corresponding numbers of the sentences, you can write it. So then I am giving you time to think about the sentences, how you can write the sequences of the rearranging sentences correctly. You have to think about yourself according to the points. Sequence, I think the sequence is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and you have to think which is the first one. The first one is number C. Once upon a time there lived a young man named Androcles. This is the first sentence that sequence. C is the first. Number E. Number E. He was caught by a slave merchant who sold him to a rich man in another country. This is the number 2 or second sentences. Number 3. G. His master was very bad and inflicted heavy torture on him. This is the number 3. Number 4. Number 4 is B. Number 4 is B. One day he fled from his master's house and took shelter in a cave. Number 4. Number 5 is A. In the evening, a lion entered the cave. Number 6. F. Number 6. F. F number is the lion seemed wounded as he was groaning. This is the number 6. Number 7 is D. He came near Androcles and lifted his paw. Number 7. And number 8 and the final number, that is the last number, is he took the lion's paw in his hand and removed a big thorn from it. The lion was relieved of his pain. This is the last number. This is the 8th number. These are the sequences of these rearranging sentences. So, I am going to tell again that you have to think about the passage of sentences, and you have to think which one will be first and which one will be second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and eighth. In this way, you can write your sequences and you can think about the passages, about the story, the system of story, the lines of the sentences of the story. You can write in this way. You can get good marks and you will learn the process of learning rearranging sentences. In this way, you can write the sequences and think about the sentences and the sequences also. And in this way, you can write the sentences, but rearrange the sentences. You will have to practice more and more. You will get the opportunity to learn. If you fail any difficulties or any problems, you will ask me to the next class. Thank you very much. I am inviting all of you to the next online class, and you will stay at home by abiding the rules of health. And if there is any comment, you can comment, and if any suggestion, you can give any suggestion to me. I will try my best to accept the suggestion to improve my teaching. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot to everyone. Thank you.